In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Discord account in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to the platform or just looking to set up a fresh account, I've got you covered. Let's dive right into the process so you can start connecting with friends, communities, and more in no time. First things first, you'll need to open up your preferred web browser. It doesn't matter if you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser, they'll all work just fine. Once you have your browser up and running, navigate over to discord.com. This is the official website where you can access all the features that Discord offers, so it's always a good starting point for anything Discord related. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a couple of options. What you'll need to do is click on the register button. You should see this somewhere on the main page, usually presented quite prominently because Discord wants to make it as easy as possible for you to start an account. After clicking register, you'll be directed to a new page where you'll need to enter some basic information. Start by typing in your email address. Make sure it's one you have access to because you'll need it to verify your account later. Next, choose a username. Be creative. Your username is how others will see you in Discord communities, so pick something that represents you well. Then, create a strong password. It's important to use a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure it's secure. Lastly, you'll put in your date of birth. This is to confirm you meet Discord's age requirements and for security reasons. Now that you've filled in all the required fields, go ahead and click the Continue or Create Account button. This will submit your information and begin the account creation process. But you're not quite done yet. Discord will send a verification email to the address you provided earlier. So, head over to your email inbox, find the email from Discord, and click on the verification link inside it. This step is crucial to activate your account fully. Once you've clicked the verification link, you're all set to dive into the world of Discord. You can choose to download the Discord app for a more integrated experience, or if you prefer, you can use the web version. Either way, log in with your newly created account credentials. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Discord account. Congratulations on setting up your Discord account. You can now join servers, chat with friends, and explore all the amazing communities that Discord has to offer. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.